Hi, in this video I'm taking you to one of the best forts in India. It is the Amer Fort, also known as Amer Fort, which is situated in Amer city, Rajasthan, India. The construction of the fort began in 1592 by Raja Man Singh, and till 1727 AD the fort received many expansions by the rulers who ruled the city at that time. The main entrance of the fort is through Suraj Pole, which is Sun Gate in English. The moment you enter through Sun Gate, it leads you to a big courtyard. This is the place where armies would hold victory parades. It's a huge, very big courtyard. One of the best things that I enjoy going to this fort is that you can take an elephant ride all the way up to Suraj Pole and first courtyard. All the courtyards lie perfectly one after another in this clip. The first one, the bigger one, is the first courtyard. The stairs from that one takes you to the second one, and that is where you would find the Vanayam or the public hall. And in the second courtyard you would find a very beautiful gate called as Ganesh Pole, and the Ganesh Pole would take you to the third courtyard, which is the private places where royal families used to live. The third courtyard, along with the private quarters, it has Sukh Nivas, which is known for its intricate air conditioning system, and Sheesh Mahal, which was originally known as Jai Mandir. And in between the two of them there is a Mughal style garden. Sheesh Mahal's wall and ceilings are all covered with convex shaped mirrors. With just one candle at night, the whole place would lit up due to reflection. If you visit this fort after monsoon, you would find a lot of greenery around the hills, and it would give you a different experience. From the Amer Fort, you can also see Jagat Fort in distance, and that fort is also interesting. With that, I am ending my video. I hope you have liked it. Let me know if you have any questions.